Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Potreddy. Do you have clarity on what to wear on different occasions? Starting from my childhood till my engineering second year, I used to have some set of pants and shirts or t-shirts, and I just used to mix match and wear it to anywhere, everywhere. But starting from my third year, I started understanding a bit more about fashion and style and try to got the importance of it. You might be thinking, who cares? It doesn't matter. No, it do matters, right? If you pull off an outfit which is relevant to the situation or occasion that you are in, it gives you a lot of confidence boost that you can not imagine of. Let's say you're going to a party and mingling with the vibe there, the outfit that you pulled off is really excellent and you have all the eyes looking up to you. You have a different atmosphere altogether there. So your confidence levels goes up, guys. So it as simple as it is. The way you dress, the way you style yourself boosts your confidence to a greater level. So it's important to understand these small things. So now let me help you guys with small and basic tips that can help you to understand what to wear and what not to wear on different occasions. So let's get started. Party wear. Yes, when it comes to party wear and parties, see, there are two different kinds of things all the time. The parties that you host and the parties that you attend. See, if you are attending a party and you are not very close to the person who is hosting it, go very casually. Maybe rock a blazer or a good shirt and t-shirt, layer it with a blazer or a vest or a coat, whatnot, right? So try layering to parties to be a little more grand, a little more different from usual. If you are hosting a party, so for suppose this right here is my sister's wedding and we are the host. So I rocked a suit because these kind of parties or these kind of functions comes only once in a lifetime. So you have to cherish every moment of that. And the second one right here, it's my nephew's birthday. So I wore a suit again. And even the cute one, the nephew, he's also wearing a suit. Yeah, it's same, identical. Yeah, I know. That's the important thing. So if you're going to a party, wear something grand. Festivals. Yes, when it comes to festive wear, we do the same mistake, right? We buy a shirt or a t-shirt and a pant and we wear the same. No, guys, for festivals like Sankranti, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, these are interesting festivals. So try to go a bit ethnic, go to ethnic wear, try different ethnic wears. See, there are few brands like Manyavar which gives a very reasonable prices for ethnic wear, and all these that I've shown you now are from Manyavar. So try these kind of outfits which gives you a very good vibe, a different vibe altogether, like a different day, because festivals are mostly celebrated to uplift your spirit, uplift your energy levels, have a good start, change and refresh all your moods. So wearing a good outfit is as important as it is because it sets the whole vibe. Pubs. Yes. Who don't like night partying? Who don't like pubs? We all love pubs, right? Why you go to pub? Typically you go to pub to have fun with your friends, enjoy, laugh, dance the hell out of you, and have a very good refreshing mind after that. So what is the main thing and what is the important thing when you think of an outfit that you are choosing for a pub? It's comfort, guys. It's comfort. Yes, comfort is the first thing that comes when you are choosing an outfit to go for such kind of events, because you have to dance, you have to do a lot more things, right? And along with that, you should be elegant and classy and posh. So the comfort comes with a t-shirt or a shirt, and also layer it with a coat, layer it with a jacket or a leather jacket, right, or a denim jacket, which will give you an awesome look. College and office. Usually we used to wear formal wears for office and colleges, but nowadays trends shifted. People stopped using formal wear. So try with semi-formals, try with, okay, don't go with torn jeans to office or college, but you can wear a jeans. That's what I meant, right? Don't be too posh or too different or out of the box, because people come there for different means and different needs. So try to be subtle as well as uplift your style or fashion game. Daily wear, yes. When we come to daily wear, most of us do what? If we like a pattern, we go and buy 4 or 5 shirts of the same pattern. If we like a denim, we go and buy same kind of denim with different colors. That's not how it's going to work. Try to experiment with different combinations. Try to have t-shirts, full sleeve t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts. When it comes to shirts, try with floral shirts, horizontal stripes, vertical stripes, boxes, patterns, right? Solid colors. Try it differently, guys. Try to have all these in your wardrobe. A mix of all these items would give you a wonderful wardrobe. Try to go fresh every single day. Even with bottoms, try with chinos, jeans, linen pants. Try differently. Try in a very different way. Nightwear. Yes. When it comes to nightwear, it's not only about sleeping, guys. Nightwear, where you go to night walks, night rides, and all these things. So keep in mind, when you are going on a night ride, try to have a hoodie and a t-shirt inside, right? Why? Because if it's a bit cool, you can wear the hoodie on top of the t-shirt, and if you feel a little bit hot after going out after some time, you can take the hoodie out and wear the same t-shirt. Something like this. Try to have a different set of clothes for nightwear as well. And the last one, gym clothes, right? Most of the people do the same mistake. They wear the same t-shirts to gym and also as a casual wear. No, guys, you should keep things separate. Gym is something where you sweat a lot, where you work a lot, right? So try to have a different set of clothes. I am not saying try to buy a new whole wardrobe for that. No, it's not needed. Try to have 2 decent tracks and 2 decent t-shirts. And these 4 should be active wear, not cotton or not another stuff. Okay. When it comes to active wear, they keep you a lot more fresh and a lot more comfortable when you are working out. When you're sweating a lot, when you wear a t-shirt or a cotton shirt, it gets a lot sweatier and you can't work out freely. But these activewear are specially made for that, so try to buy these things. And when you go with the activewear track pants, they also look fine for your night rides and night walks. For such outfit inspirations and few other information, you can follow me on my Instagram, and if you have some doubts, do ping me in my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and do check it out. So that's it for this videos, guys. I'll catch you next time. See ya.